have to make it through. You have to keep going with the levels, or else you go back to level 1. I'm gonna try to get level 2, and then I want to see if I can change my guy. Okay, shit, that sucks. Was like not listening to my fingers. See the same stupid ad. Okay.
Who would you like to die with?
Oh, Big Dave. Oh. He has like a way slower.
Whoa, that was cool. Okay.
I've gone to round 3 one time. Oh yeah. That was some nice skill. See, he's a better level guy, but he's harder to do. I think like every when you get new people, they become harder. No! Every time on level 2, every time. Yeah? That's simple. God.
Hey, that's good. Stunning.
Okay, so the way I'm in, so
Hey, really good.
I'm gonna do 20 more seconds. See if I can get over level 2 in 10 seconds. 10, and then I'm gonna shut off the video. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.